In this video, we will show you how to replace your front grille assembly on this Lincoln Navigator. This will be located in front of your hood. Let's get into it. Something that's important to mention before we get started is to replace the grille, you're going to have to remove your Lincoln emblem across the front. Commonly, it's a good idea to replace that with a brand new one. Otherwise, we're going to heat this up and gently pull it off of the existing grille. We'll do this once we have the grille off of the vehicle. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is safely raise and support the hood. Once you've done that, you're going to continue on to removing all 5 of your 11mm mounting nuts that hold the grille to the hood of the vehicle. It's common as you try to remove these, it could turn the stud right out of the grille. That one, the nut came right off. That one, the stud is pulling out of the grille. We'll show you how to remove that. Now let's pause on removing these and make our way to the forward Phillips head screws. Grab onto that grille, give it a wiggle, and remove it from the hood. There it is, friends. Now with that grille out of the way, let's go ahead and wipe down the area. While we're doing this, we're paying attention to see if we have any of the studs from the original grille. If one of these studs are still in place, hold on to the stud with some locking pliers. Use your 11mm to finish removing that mounting nut. Remove the stud. All right, let's prepare to install our brand new grille assembly. Before we do, let's install the emblem. All right, friends, let's remove the emblem from our original grille assembly. As I had mentioned, you're going to have to heat up this area because there is an adhesive on the back side of the emblem. Also, once you have it off of there, you're going to have some sort of adhesive to hold it onto the new grille. With that said, let's start heating the area to soften the adhesive. Now I'll continue on with a small flat blade screwdriver and carefully try to pry up on this. I'm being as careful as I can so I don't damage the emblem. As it starts to peel up, I'll continue on with a plastic trim tool. Make our way underneath this. As you continue removing it, keep in mind that you just applied heat to the area. Don't burn yourself. There's that. Let's get ready to transfer this over to our brand new grille assembly. With our assembly on a bench, we'll continue on by installing the emblem, making sure that we have the adhesive on the backside to hold this in place. I'll hold this in place as the adhesive does its job. All right, once you feel as though that's secured to the grille assembly, let's get back over to the vehicle. As we bring the grille over to the vehicle, pay attention to your 5 studs that make their way across the top. A lot of times there'll be a protector over them. Go ahead and make sure you take that off. And then we can slide this into position on the hood of the vehicle. Once you have it aligned, open the hood and start on all of your mounting hardware. Make our way down here to the Phillips head screws. Let's move to our 11mm nuts. Make sure all these are snug as well. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your front grille assembly. At this point, stand back and admire your handiwork. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.